Hi, I'm Jennifer Fox with MusicEducatorResources.com, and this is Music Teacher Tip and Trick number 13. So today I thought we would talk about legato and non-legato and how we teach it to our students. I thought I would share my favorite way on how I teach it to students, and maybe some of you already do this. So what I'd like to do is when we're first introducing legato, I introduce non-legato at the same time. So we get off the bench and onto the floor, and first I have my students watch my feet. So I will walk first around the room a little bit, and then I will march and have them see the difference between the two. And then we'll kind of talk about what do they see happening, what's going on with the march versus the walk. And then I'll have them do it. And then we'll talk about how when we're walking, the ball of our foot is going down while the opposite foot, the heel of the foot, is going up. And then vice versa. So they're taking turns. And then when we're marching, the motion completely stops while the other foot is doing something. So the other foot is being raised while the opposite foot is staying on the ground. And then the opposite foot is being raised while the other foot is being stayed on the ground. So they literally take turns. And then after we kind of experience that, I'll take them back to the piano and we will walk our fingers on the piano versus march our fingers on the piano so they could feel the difference. So it's my favorite way of teaching legato versus non-legato. If you have a favorite way of teaching this concept as well, we would love to hear about it. Just leave a comment below. And if you have some other teaching tips that you would like to share, feel free to fill out the form. We would all love to hear about it too. All right, I hope this tip helped you, and happy teaching. Bye.